New construction home will be ready for settlement early March. Close to the Navy base Norfolk and Little Creek. Minutes to the bay and I-64. This 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom west/an open floor plan, upgraded white shaker cabinets, soft close drawers, doors, west/granite countertops in the kitchen and both full baths. Vaulted ceiling in the primary bedroom and tray ceiling in the dining room. Beautiful LVP flooring throughout the downstairs, the upstairs bathrooms and laundry room. Tiled primary shower west/separate bath. Plush carpet on the stairs, upper hall, and bedrooms. Included stainless steel stove, microwave, and dishwasher. Fireplace in family room. Garage door opener and generator plug. This is a must-see.